Selection Manager is a very powerful tool if you need to select multiple entries in a model. In this example, I want to perform a fillet on all the corners in the model. After activating the fillet tool, you need to make sure that the selection toolbar is ticked off. Next, select an edge. Note the different selection options you get when selecting the edge. Browse through the different options and select the one you think will suit you. Fill out a radius, and a fillet has been applied to both the inside and the outside edge.